Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kubleye phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamda kasni. Sakatu kat nisngi kakam Director General Police Jela kan sathli baka sarkar jela kadang abmenta ya ke jebab na ke Election Commission of India ECI ban ai jingbet yaitu uba Prestone Tynsong sembut menteri ban menteri ketenat kampo yang ke jela. Uba Prestone Tynsong habayo ekran shikilat pathai khubor uyathu Kajingpin nano ya ka kerteng jong u lane ka officer IPS ki ban shimti ka shuki Director General of Police DGP bathamai ka jela na kaliang ka sarkar kala de pen kre lut na dong hadong bat ka basa kalong satang ban penmi jingpin na notify. Dang shisngi arsngi lami ki seng san perthai bandawa na ka sarkar MDA de ban thung DGP da ka kong ai nong rang kum ka VPP bat ka BGP. Na kaliang ba Prestone Tynsong uyathu kamdan jingmut ban sngap iki jingai jingmut kiwei ka sarkar kaladap le nadong hadong halor ki jingdawa ba jingai jingmut ban thung ya ka kong nongrang kum ka DGP bathamai. Ula ban kedau hang ni ba ka UPSC kala pha ya lai teli ki kerteng juki officer IPS ki ban shimti ya ka shuki DGP ka jela na u Dr. LR Bishnoi u ban shongthat no aka khat khandai turik ujimang. Na pleng kini ki laingut ki kerteng ka Ida Shisha Nongrang IPS RR Syajar kandai spak kandai puar kadai ka bahakmat ka bapau kerteng. Namar ka jingtri kam jong ka Model Code of Conduct MCC jong ka election Lok Sabha po kari kani kala khanglat ka sarkar jela bakan pinmi ka jingpinna. Shu ba Prestone uyathu tang shuyo jingbit na ka ECI ka sarkar kan sa pinmi no ka jingpinna.
Well, I think just for now, I will tell you the right time. But well, let me tell you one thing. Leave it to the wisdom of the government. The wisdom of the government, don't have doubts. We will appoint the right person to this important post.
Sir, FIR has been filed against...
Wait 1 second. Sir, VPP and...
What I'm trying to tell you, political party is political party. But let me just tell you one thing. Whoever says or whoever does not say, leave it to the wisdom of the government. Because see, as far as appointment, transfer of the senior officers like Chief Secretary, DGP, we have to study nicely. We have to see from all angles, and thereafter we take a final call. So as I said to you right now, confidently, government will give the best officer.
Sir, FIR